just give me a moment.
What? No, is it through outsourcing agency?
No, this is an agreement entered directly with him. He could have applied very recently for TGT Computer Science. He did not do that. So this is an agreement with him which will expire by a flux of time. So he basically has no case, and this document is suppressed in these proceedings.
Your Lordship, may I?
It's not a government in the writ petition, my lords. This is the contract by which he's currently employed.
ये
Kindly
कौन सा
see.
number है petition का?
ये 121 sir.
No, writ petition.
Yes.
Petition number check में 972 of 16.
972/2026.
Petition देखो.
But he's probably trying to pose an FCSA. That scheme is now gone in 2024. This is an order of 2020 that she seeks to challenge. And she's
Why are they coming so late?
Wait, Your Lordship.
this is CAT order of
Your Lordship,
2020.
I am continuing service the committee since 2001. Previously, I was serving as a FCSA Computer Science. Now I am serving as a TGT.
But how
Computer
come a 2020 order is being challenged now?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I was the party in the case as a petition, as a applicant number. Your Lordship, on last date when the notice was issued by Your Lordship, that time also Your Lordship may
What is the petitioner's name?
Arvind Deo Pandey.
Oh, you were there, but then why didn't you file it then?
What happened?
Your Lordship.
He never appeared. In 2024, he suddenly came and moved an application that make me a petitioner. Then after 1 year, he kept that, he did not pursue that application also. He said, all right, I'll withdraw my application and take whatever I want.
Your Lordship, with the permission of this honorable court, I withdrew my IA and
2020 order, he's not even FCSA.
No, he says contractual on FCSA.
It does not say.
See the memo party.
Well, memo parties may be saying anything. That is absolutely wrong. Right now, he is not supposed to.
Your Lordship.
If he says, Malad's memo party, he says.
Where is he working?
Malad, he is working in Assam.
See only my written submission which I submitted.
My friend,
Tell her one thing, Mr. Jha. Others have also protection.
Malad, they have protection because they were FCSA. So they were.
What difference it would make?
Malad, with respect, in 2021, they got the protection. The scheme has come to an end in 2024. And with respect to only the yes, scheme has come to an end. She
Your
acknowledges.
Lordship, I am serving.
She's aware. That's
as
why
a
she entered. Just
computer
one.
teachers.
That is why she entered.
Your Lordship.
That is why
What is
Mr.
the
Arvind Deo
difference?
entered into this contractual arrangement
With whom?
with us only, my lords. That
Oh, separately?
yes, my lords. That kindly see.
Oh.
Your Lordship,
This is
submit.
what
This is
JNB
the-
does-
this is gentleman.
JNB
No, then why did you, what is this contract you have entered?
Your
Till
Lordship.
34/26.
Lordship, I am continuing serving to this organization since 2000.
Ma'am, what is this? What is this?
This is a TGT Computer Science on a contractual basis.
By the same person?
Same person.
Then no. You can't have two employments. What is this?
Your Lordship, my service may
Okay.
continue till the disposal of this writ petition. Your Lordship, my
We will not. This contract in any case give you to continue till 30th of April.
yes, Your Lordship.
So you'll continue on the strength of this.
Your Lordship may kindly tag along with the at April.
No, we will dismiss this petition.
Your Lordship may kindly consider. Your Lordship, I am continuing.
We will not allow, ma'am. You have entered this contract, separate contract.
This is a TGT company. Your Lordship, I am
Tell us
continuing.
one thing, how many posts or how many job work you can do? You are working as a TGT,
Same organization.
that's right?
Yes, Your
Then
Lordship.
what is this FSCA?
Yes, Your Lordship.
schemes come to
Your Lordship, may I please, Your Lordship, only one submission for, I will take only a minute. Your Lordship, I am serving as a computer
Okay,
teacher.
thank you. Dismiss. We'll pass orders. Nothing doing. Just Sidika. Pass order.
Item 122.
Dismiss.
122.
What is this? We'll have it some other day. This.